Muhammad from Pakistan.
Sheikh, my question is this is sunnah to say Rabbish, rahli, sadri, yassir li amri, wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli?
When? When, akhi?
Anywhere.
If you want to say it any time, this is a dua, a general dua. So I am about to do something or to say something or give a presentation, I say it to myself as a dua. But to open every lecture by saying it, whoa, come on. This is not from the sunnah. You praise Allah, you offer salutation upon the Prophet ﷺ, and you go ahead with your lecture. Go ahead with your presentation. But to every presentation I'm making, I say, Rabbish rahli sadri, wassir li amri, wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani, yafqahu qawli. This is becoming an innovation because it is related to a specific time or a place or an occasion. But to say it all the time, to say it when I'm about to answer a test, for example, it's between me and Allah Azza wa Jal. No problem, this is dua. To say it publicly, all those listening to you would think that this is part of the sunnah. So why did the Imam on Friday did not say it? Maybe he doesn't know the sunnah. It's not a sunnah. Yeah, but Sheikh so-and-so is doing it. Sheikh so-and-so is doing it. Yeah, this doesn't mean anything and Allah knows best.